Turn the mower on its side and set a flat blade screwdriver to pry the dust cover away from the wheel. Use an adjustable or 1/2 wrench to turn the bolt counterclockwise to loosen it. For the rear wheel only, use a T20 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the drive gear. Replace with a new wheel and mount the drive gear. The surface of the gear stating out should face toward outside. Mount the wave washer and the new wheel on the wheel axle. Ensure the shaft seat flush with the bearing. Lock the wheel with the bolt by tightening the bolt clockwise. Mount the dust cover onto the wheel and press it into place.